you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have VineOh's seasonal box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So VineOh's seasonal box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys know I love me some wine and I love me some lifestyle goods, so VineOh is the perfect combination for both of those two items. Again, I love me some wine, so I'm all for this box. If you wanted to grab this box for like the little extras inside, and you could always keep the bottles of wine in case you have guests that come over, and then you can open them if you're not like a heavy drinker or if you're not a drinker at all. You can even gift the bottles to others, and you can even send this box to somebody else. So like if you were to do a subscription and one season you want to just send the box to a family member or a friend for whatever reason, if it's an occasion or just because, you can go in and switch your address in between seasons, and I really like that. So for this particular season, my code SheCrafty will get you $15 off your very first box if you are a new subscriber. So this box is normally $64.99 and you can get it for only $49.99 with SheCrafty. That's basically just the cost of the 2 bottles of wine, and everything else is a bonus. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's going to be in this season's box. Again, I'm so excited to see all of the products every time and to see what wines I'm going to be sipping on. So let's get this opened. The way that they package their boxes is super unique. Like nothing ever comes broken or anything like that. So they do have the goods right on top, which is in their own box. So there's that. And then down under here, completely protected, is the bottles of wine. So there are the 2 for this season. Now with the wines, another great thing is you can choose if you wanted to have red, white, a mixture of red and white, or sweet. So upon signing up, you have 4 different options depending on what type of wine you prefer. And I do like that because then you get what you like. So the first one here is Night Vine, a 2021 California Chardonnay. Our vineyards never sleep. So there's that one. And then this one I've had and I really like. This is a California Merlot. It's a 2019. But yes, I really do enjoy this one. I don't think I've had this one just yet, but I love me some wine, so I know it's good. Now let's go ahead and dive into the goods. I'm so excited. And inside here, you normally have 5 to 6 full-size goodies. So let's open her up. Oh, for me. Yes, thank you. Spoil yourself or another with this box. So you open it up, and that is a sneak peek to the inside of the box. You always do have your brochure, which will go over all of the information and give you pricing and all of that. Let me get this out of your way a little bit. Oh, and even the back it says Let It Snow Mad Libs. How cute. So you can go ahead and just fill that in and you can create your own back there. That's fun. I've never seen that before. That is really neat. Okay. So you go to the very front page, it'll show you every single item with the dollar value, and then each page will go over each description more in detail of that item, but it won't show the pricing on those, only here. So let's go ahead and start. Ooh. Let's go ahead and start with the first product, and this is a sponge gel. This is valued for $16, and I can't say anything more like good about sponge gel. I absolutely love them. This one here is Sugar Plum. Good. It's not lavender and it's not rose. It's an all-in-one beauty treatment body wash infused buffer. Now with these, I always tell you guys, like the very first time I tried to use one, it was so hard. I'm like, what in the world? Like, who would use this? It felt so hard on my skin. I'm very sensitive. I'm a sensitive bitch. But it was very, very hard. And I was like, oh my gosh, why do people like these? And then like a few days later, I went to try it again, but I just kind of squeezed it more into the water, like while it was running. And then I was like, okay. And then I'm like, it's not as bad. And then like the third day or the third time, it was like normal, like it should be. So if you use these and it's a little hard at first, just know, just keep working with it. After another day or two, you will enjoy it. And then once the soap is like gone and I don't really see a whole lot of soap action going on, I just add my own body wash to this and continue using the sponge for a while until I replace the whole entire thing. So I love these. I always have them in my shower at all times. And so this one is again the Sugar Plum. Oh, it smells so good. That's a great scent for the like a winter. Oh, and this month's box is Oh Ho Ho box. Sorry. That is the theme for this box. It's the Oh Ho Ho box. Sip back, relax, and unwind. Yes, sip back. So item number 1, amazing. I absolutely love it. Let me see what it says on the page. I'm like, I already know everything about these. Perfectly packed and designed, Spongel's unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze from a sensual exfoliation massage texture to as soft as silk. See, that's kind of what I was saying. At first, it was really, really hard, and I had to just keep like messing with it. I had to keep playing with it in the water. The scent will vary. So again, I received the Sugar Plum, but the scent will vary that they will be sent. You can visit spongel.com to visit their collections. Awesome. With this one, you normally do get some type of a jewelry product. So this month we have a pair of earrings. Let me remove the plastic so you can see them better. Very nice and festive with the red though, the color. So there's that. Violet and Brooks red studded earrings. They are valued at $20. Oh, dazzling. These vibrant, versatile, and easy to wear earrings from Violet and Brooks are gold plated and brass, hypoallergenic, and made with a lead-free post, making them the perfect studs to wear every day. Inspired by the garnet gemstone, these oval red crystal studs will add a dash of color to any outfit this holiday season. You can visit violetandbrooks.com to shop more of their collection. So again, there's that, and you have them on the posts. My ears are super sensitive, so I always save anything like this for you guys. So I will gladly put this right back in the package and put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But again, those are very festive, very the appropriate color for this season as well. And again, valued for $20. Okay, you always get some type of a treat in here, and we find the most amazing, yummy, delicious treats in here. This season, we have sweet and salty and minty. Ooh, chunk nibbles. It's crunchy snack mix. That is a $3 value. It says, created from the magic of a grandma's recipe, these cinnamon chunk nibbles are a delicious holiday spin on the nostalgic third generation family recipe. They're sweet and salty with a hint of mint to put you in the holiday spirit. These treats will have your hand wandering back into the bag looking for the next bite. It's a 2-ounce bag. You can visit chunknibbles.com. Let's see what these look like inside. Let's get a little nibble. So they're like these little, I like that they're already in little square bites. Those little chunk nibbles are really, really good. You get a slight little minty. You have the peppermint. You got a crunch. I don't know what the, oh, is it like cereal that it's made from? Because like here's this, it looks like a piece of Chex Mix almost right here. But sweet and salty, those are really, really good. Those aren't going to last long. They're not going to last long. Again, valued for $3. Okay, so now we have is, and it feels nice quality. Oh, it's a swig. Ooh, this is a, look at that. It's swig. It says Cocktail Club mug, valued for $34. This is very hefty. It is, look at that copper all around. You have that lid that does go back and forth. So, you know, you can keep it completely closed and you have it open when you want to drink out of it, safe and secure. A nice top. And there is the inside. So there's your swig information. And again, it's very nice and snug top. And very festive for the holiday season too. You can put your hot chocolate in here, hot tea. You can put any type of a cocktail, whatever you would like to drink, whatever you drink will tickle your fancy. You can definitely put in here, and that is really nice. It's nice, like I said, it's nice and thick too. It's nice and thick. Swig Life's stainless steel drinkware features triple insulated technology for premium temperature retention and has a non-slip silicone base. The hammered texture is a one-of-a-kind combination of an insulated stainless steel travel mug mixed with the feel of a cocktail mug. Swigs make the perfect gift and are a great eco-friendly option. Oh yes. Hand wash only, do not microwave, made of stainless steel assorted mug designs. You can visit Swig Life to shop more of their collection. But that is so neat. I love the texture on it. Definitely different. And again, it feels really, really nice. Swig is an amazing brand. That's like the only mugs like this that I even use. So that is great to see in here. Again, $34. Okay, one more item left in here, you guys. And that is, we're going to have a scarf. This says Winter Cozy Scarf, valued for $25. Let me remove the plastic. All right, so it has this little hanger. So if you wanted to keep it on that and hang it on that, you definitely could. And this would have been sent at random because right there, it has like a gray. So the colors probably were sent at random, but all very festive. This says Winter Cozy Scarf. Stay warm and cozy while keeping your neck and face protected from the bitter cold of the winter with this plaid scarf. Not only is this scarf perfect for your winter wardrobe, but it remains light enough to wear during the spring and fall seasons, keeping you stylish all year around. Dress it up or dress it down, this scarf will be perfect for any occasion. Oh, cozy. Measures 30 centimeters by 168 centimeters. Cashmere feel. Colors will vary, hand wash only. It is very, very light, so it's not going to be something super, super thick. So like it said, you can use it through the seasons because it is a nice thin material and it's super, super soft. That definitely feels really, really nice. Let's see here. So it is like that wide by that. Definitely doesn't match what I'm wearing right about now, but you get the point. And like I said, it's very, very festive, definitely for this time of year. And it's super, super thin. It's not too thick, but it's so, so soft. Like that is super, super, super soft. So for a quick recap of this Oh Ho Ho box, you have 2 bottles of wine, and the wine, you guys, is valued at, I forgot to mention that, they're $24 each. So this right here is almost $50 in itself in just these 2 bottles. So 2 bottles of wine, you have a scarf, you have a pair of earrings. Here is this amazing swig mug that you can drink whatever tickles your fancy in. You have a Spongeo, which I absolutely love, and then you have a yummy treat. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for this particular season. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in this season? What do you think of the different variation of items that they put? I am really loving this, and it's so super festive. I'm really liking all of the products that they put in here. And of course, I love me some wine. If you want a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. Again, my code SheCrafty will get you $15 off your very first box. So normally this box is $64.99 per season. You will get that then for $49.99 if you use my code. And again, that's almost just the price of the 2 bottles of wine. You always have $120 or higher in value with every box. You get free shipping. So free shipping is included. With this wine being heavy, I wouldn't even want to know how much they pay for shipping. So with that price, shipping is included. So keep that in mind as well. And again, you can choose if you want white, if you want red, a mixture of white and red, or if you want sweet. So those 4 different options when you choose which wine you would like. And this is again seasonal, so there's only 4 of them per year. That is it. It's not monthly. There's only 4 of them per year with the season. So that is everything that I have to say for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.